Hello and welcome. Time to gather around the digital campfire for another episode of Empower Her, the YouTube channel that explores the complexities of human relationships and emotions. I'm your host, Coach Carrie, along with Snoozer, and in today's episode, we will be addressing a difficult but important topic: healing from betrayal. Whether it's a romantic relationship, a friendship, or a professional connection, experiencing betrayal can leave deep emotional scars and lasting trust issues. In this episode, we will discuss coping strategies to help you navigate the pain and rebuild trust after betrayal. Betrayal is a profound breach of trust, where someone we relied upon or cared for violates our trust in some way. It could be through lies, deceit, infidelity, or breaking confidences. The aftermath of betrayal can lead to feelings of hurt, anger, and vulnerability. Healing from such an experience takes time, patience, and self-compassion. Step 1. Allow yourself to feel. When you experience betrayal, it's natural to feel a range of emotions, from shock and anger to sadness and confusion. Give yourself permission to experience these feelings without judgment. Avoid suppressing your emotions, as processing them is an essential part of the healing journey. Step 2. Reach out for support. Coping with betrayal can be overwhelming, so don't hesitate to reach out for support. Share your feelings with a close friend, family member, Coach Carrie and Snoozer, or therapist who can offer a listening ear and a safe space for you to express your pain and concerns. Step 3. Practice self-care. Engaging in self-care is crucial during this challenging time. Focus on activities that nurture your well-being, such as meditation, exercise, spending time in nature, or pursuing hobbies that bring you joy. Taking care of yourself emotionally and physically will help you navigate the healing process more effectively. Step 4. Set boundaries. After experiencing betrayal, you may find it challenging to trust others again. Setting healthy boundaries is essential in rebuilding trust in yourself and others. Assess what boundaries were crossed and establish clear guidelines for future relationships to protect yourself from potential harm. Step 5. Seek understanding. While healing, it can be helpful to seek understanding and closure. If you feel comfortable, communicate with the person who betrayed you, expressing your feelings and seeking answers. However, remember that closure may not always come from external sources and that healing is primarily an internal process. Step 6. Challenge negative thoughts. Betrayal can lead to negative thought patterns and a lack of self-trust. Challenge these negative thoughts by practicing self-compassion and reminding yourself that your worth is not defined by the actions of others. Affirm your positive qualities and focus on your personal growth. Step 7. Learn to trust again. Rebuilding trust after betrayal is a gradual process. Take small steps to trust again, starting with low-risk situations. As you experience positive interactions and build trust in other areas of your life, you may find it easier to open up to trust in relationships once more. Healing from betrayal is a courageous and transformative journey. Remember that you are not defined by the pain of the past, and with time and self-compassion, you can rebuild trust in yourself and others. Thank you for joining us on Empower Her. If you found this episode helpful, please share it with others who may be going through a similar experience. Remember, healing takes time, and it's okay to seek professional support if needed. Until next time, take care of yourself, and may your path to healing be filled with strength and resilience.